Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nurse Debbie again and I'm back to your timeline. So firstly, I would like to appreciate all of you for engaging on my content. I do not take it for granted. I really appreciate all of you. So on this video, we are just going to continue from our previous video. Yeah, so if you have not watched that video, try and watch that video before watching this one because it will make you understand everything that we are going to talk about on this video. Yes, this is like a continuation from that previous video. So at this point, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, and comment, share, and like, because doing that will encourage us to do more of these educative videos. Yeah, so let us get into it. So for this particular video, we are just going to talk about how to search for jobs that offer visa sponsorship or that give COS, which is the certificate of sponsorship, to oversee nurses, oversee carers, or oversee support workers. So like I said, the information we are looking for is on the job overview, and that is why I said you need to watch those our previous videos. And one of the first video that you want to be watching that is on our YouTube channel is migrate to the UK as a nurse without PIN / how to apply to jobs here in the UK. It has 3 parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. So try and watch those videos on our YouTube channel. Then also watch the video that has the title that says the secret to a good job application. So please try and watch all those videos before you now watch the part 1 of this video, because it will give you a better, like a thorough understanding of what we are going to be doing on this video. Yes, so let us get into it. So this is me assuming that you have watched the part 1 of this video, you've watched our previous videos, and now you are now watching this video. Yeah, and if you don't know how to open a track account, it's on the part 1. It's on the part 1 of this video. So try and watch our videos. So this is the grade, this is the nursing area, this is the hour, and this is the contract. And like I said, as an overseas nurse or an overseas carer, you want to be applying for a job that is that the contract says permanent. Yeah, because nobody is going to employ you as a local carer or a local nurse in the UK and you're in Nigeria or Ghana, or maybe you're overseas. Yeah, nobody is going to be bringing you down to the UK for a local job or a job that is just 6 months. No, so you want to be applying for a permanent job. That is the more reason why you need to watch our videos, our previous videos, because we've did a thorough explanation on that. So let us get down into this video. So the information that we are looking for to see if this particular job is going to be offering us visa sponsorship is on the job overview. So all you need to do is to look at the job overview. So I'm just going to scroll down for us to go through this job overview. So this is the job overview. So let us assume that you have read everything about the job overview, for instance. Yeah. And now you come to this place. So let us assume that you've read everything in the beginning and now you're here. So this place that says equal opportunity, most of the time when you see a job that has equal opportunities, it means that they are going to be offering you visa sponsorship. So let me take it up again. This is me just scrolling up, so there's nothing I'm doing. I'm just scrolling up to look for that particular information that we are looking for. So anytime you see a job that says we are committed to equality, we are committed to equality, diversity, and inclusion, and want to reflect the diversity of our local communities within our teams, we welcome application from all talented individuals with the relevant qualification, skills, knowledge, and experience. Know that this particular job, they are going to be offering visa sponsorship. Sometimes they will not state it very clear, but I'll also show you a job that they stated it very clear that they are going to be offering visa sponsorship. So this type of job that has we are committed to equality, diversity, and inclusion, and want to reflect the diversity of our local communities within our team. We welcome application from all talented individuals with the relevant qualifications, skills, knowledge, and experience. Please, they are going to be offering visa sponsorship. So this is the type of job that you want to be applying for, either as a carer or a nurse that is coming from overseas. Yeah. So let us assume that you've read everything. And what is the next thing that you need to do? You need to now scroll down. This is the more important why you need to watch our previous videos, because I've already taught all of this in those our previous videos. Yeah. So this is the job description. This is just the job overview, everything about the job. You want to be scrolling down here. So this is me just scrolling down. We have already confirmed that this job, they are going to be offering us sponsorship. So what do we need to do? We just come down to the bottom part of the job. Yeah, which is the bottom part of the job. Yeah. You click on this job description, you download it. You click on this value, the values, you download it and you apply. And that's all you need to do. You just click on apply and boom, you start your application. But that's not what we are going to be talking about today. We are just trying to like show you jobs that offer visa sponsorship. So let us go to the next job. So the same thing, like I said, everything that we are going to be looking for to see if they are actually offering you visa sponsorship for that particular job is on the job description. So I've already opened them down and this is me just going through the job description. So as you can see, this particular job, they clearly stated it here that application from overseas nurses, either, so if for instance you're applying for a carer job, it will say application from overseas carer. Yeah. So they said application from overseas nurses. This trust appreciate and value the contribution of international nurses. Values the contribution international nurses bring to the NHS. We also understand the support overseas nurses need to gain full registration once in the UK via OSCE, and therefore we only recruit internationally to fill nursing vacancies when we can ensure support is in place. At this present time, we are not in a position to offer that support, and therefore we not accept application from overseas nurses who only have part 1 NMC registration. If that position changes in the future, we'll clearly advertise our opportunities for international nurses to join our team here in Bolton. Thank you for understanding. So this particular application clearly states that you do not need to apply, because if you're applying, you will not get the job because they do not have support in place to give them visa sponsorship. So why stress yourself for this particular job? Why not use it to go and search for other jobs that will be able to offer you visa sponsorship? So this particular job clearly stated that they will not be able to offer you. Yeah, so you just leave that particular job and go to another job. So now let us go to another job that we offer or that we not offer. Let us just scroll to see. And like I said, this is another role entirely, and this is the registered pediatric nurse. It's still a band 5 role. So like I said, the information we are looking for is on the job overview. Yeah. So let us scroll down. This is me just scrolling down. So I'm not doing anything that you have not seen before. This is me just scrolling down to see if we can get that information that we are looking at for. Yeah. Let me just scroll down a bit, yeah. I'm coming, I'm just trying to scroll down. I'm just scrolling down to see if we can see that information that we are looking for. So for this particular one, they said anyone from outside the UK, excluding the Republic of Ireland, we need permission from UK visas and immigration, UK VI, to work in the UK. I may also need entry clearance before traveling here. UK VI is responsible for managing migration. To obtain a visa or entry clearance, you will need to meet certain criteria and demonstrate you have the right to work in the UK via the point-based immigration system, the EU settlement scheme, and the e-visa. So I've not really seen anything here that clearly states that they are offering visa sponsorship. So let us go up again to see. Let us still scroll up, because these are the things that you want to be looking out for. So like they said current, these are like the person specification. I've not seen what I'm looking for. So let me still scroll. Okay, now see what I'm looking for. Like I said, it will always be on the job overview. Said following the recent update on UK immigration policy for those on a health and social care visa or skilled worker visa, please click on the link to check your eligibility before applying for this post, as we may be unable to provide sponsorship. So they clearly stated it here that they are not going to offer you sponsorship, that they may not be able to. So why stress yourself? But if you still want to go further, you are inquisitive and you want to know more, you click on this link and they will explain further. But this particular job, you might not get a visa sponsorship, so there's no need to stress yourself. So let us take it out. Now let us look for another job that might be offering visa sponsorship. Okay, I've already opened it, so let's just go straight to it. So you see this particular job, they said induction program, 12 months preceptorship program, and like I said, all of this information will be on the job overview. And it is clearly written here, 12 months preceptorship program. So when you see it, when you see a job that states preceptorship program, just know that this is a job that they will offer visa sponsorship. Yes, because coming down from overseas, when you get here, you will do a preceptorship program for about a year, sometime 1 year and 6 months. Yeah, so this is the type of job that you want to be applying for. This is the type of job that you want to be applying for. Yes. So, but when you see post preceptorship, please do not stress yourself. That particular job is for nurses that are already in the UK here and they are progressing to maybe band 5, or maybe yes, that they just want to like take band 5 nurses and you're through with your preceptorship already. So do not stress yourself to apply to a job that have post preceptorship, but you can apply for jobs that have preceptorship. Yeah, maybe the on the job description you're seeing preceptorship nurse, or maybe from the beginning of the job description you're seeing preceptorship nurse. Yeah, so that's the type of job you want to be applying for. Immediately you see a preceptorship nurse and you're an overseas nurse, this is the type of job you should be applying for. Thank you. Sometimes they will also put newly qualified nurses. So let us check this particular one. So let us scroll down to see if they are going to be offering visa sponsorship. Okay, so you see this one. This one clearly states it here that application from job seekers who require sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications before some. Yeah, said application from job seekers who require sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications. Before submitting your application and to avoid disappointment, please check that you are eligible under the UK VI point-based system. So you see this particular job, yes, this is something that you should apply for. They will give you visa sponsorship. This is the type of job that you want to be applying for. And another type of job that you want to be applying for is that the job we stated from the beginning that international vacancy. So let me screw up just to be fast. So from the beginning of the job in this place, now they will clearly state international pediatric nurse or international mental health nurse. So it will clearly state it. Instead of maybe in this gap between the band 5 and the pediatric nurse, it will clearly state it the international pediatric nurse or international band 5 nurse. So note, when you see anyone that has international band 5 nurse, know that that is the type of job you want to be applying for. It is strictly an international vacancy. And two, like I said, like this one that we have just read now, where they clearly said applications from job seekers who require sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications. Please, these are the type of jobs that you want to be applying for. These are the type of jobs that you want to be applying for. Yeah. So that is it for today's video. So do not hesitate to click on our YouTube channel, subscribe, share, comment, invite your friends and your loved ones to our YouTube channel, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you know that you have not subscribed at this point. Okay, thank you all for sticking up with me to this time. I really appreciate all of you. If you want me to do any other video, please pop it down on the comment section and I'm happy to be doing that video. Thank you. Bye-bye.